Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious agua de café. In case you just want to how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1.5 sticks of cinnamon, a half a cup of instant coffee, 2 cups of milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So these are ingredients, now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by grabbing 1 cup of hot water and we're going to dissolve our coffee. So just mix it. Alright, so once we have that, we're just going to wait a little bit so that our water can cool down. Alright, so after around 20 minutes, we're ready to begin making our agua fresca. Alright, so in our blender cup, we're going to add our 1 cup of coffee. Our 2 cups of milk. Our evaporated milk. Our sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get everything. And our cinnamon stick. So now we're just going to mix it all together until our cinnamon stick has dissolved. Or not dissolved, but. Alright, so once our cinnamon stick has broken down, now we are ready to transfer it into our jar. Alright, so we're going to strain it. It smells delicious. Alright, so we're going to add about 2 cups of cold water. Okay, that was 3 cups. Now we're just going to mix it. So just mix it. And try it if it's sweet enough for you. And if it's not, then you can go ahead and add sugar. But let me tell you that it's going to be perfect. And now we are ready to serve on ice. Alright, so I got my cup with ice and I just drizzled some caramel on the sides of my cup. And now we're just going to pour our delicious agua fresca. Garnish it with the cinnamon stick and our straw. And now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Cheers. Seriously, super delicious. It's perfect. It's not too sweet, it's not too strong, but of course if you like your agua fresca or coffee strong, then you can go ahead and add some more coffee. But this is perfect. It's refreshing, and like I said, if you want to add more sugar, you can add sugar to make it more sweet, but this is seriously the best. Super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious agua de café. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.